Alright, my people, and I welcome back onto this channel. Well, still on the matter, Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Yes, my brother, my sister, no be small something. No. Now, I just want to flashback to waiting this prophet talking in the year 2023. Before our so-called APC people come enter, we say our presido come say na in turn na him remain. Emiloko. Now, my brother, my sister, I don't know whether many people still remember waiting this prophet Ayodele, the Erie evangelical ministry prophet Ayodele. This man come out that time. This man they talk say like this, so make anybody no vote for APC. Kenny come out vote for APC. Oh. According to wetin the man they talk that time, Emma vote for APC. Mo tun so. Mi isoloselu. According to wetin the man they talk, say him no be politician. But wetin God they tell am be say make una no vote for APC. My brother, my sister, una know why I dey bring this matter come back. I remember that time wey be say Yoruba nation movement be Yoruba nation movement, no be the one wey be say they don turn am to Adalu Ekpo and the rest of them. When Yoruba nation still be Yoruba nation, we go see people gather themselves together in unity, in one accord. Everybody they shout out, no going back, no going back, and it is sweet. If you want to know the example of how it is sweet, what I talk about, make una go check the rally wey dem do for Ekiti and Ondo State. Now go see population of people where we say Chief Sunday Igboho can start on top of a moto. Now that time Yoruba nation be Yoruba nation. Now what will they talk about that time? Chief Sunday Igboho, the real Yoruba nation agitators, everybody talk say come 2023. That time now 2022 we do. Chief Sunday Igboho they talk and say come 2023, no vote at all for anybody. That time can't see crowd, can't see movement, can't see cooperation. Everybody face one direction. Everybody they happy say yes, finally we go our separate ways. Finally Yoruba nation will be achieved. Finally Yoruba nation shall be actualized. Everybody they happy. But that time they can't say make anybody, no Yoruba person. I remember that time where we say all the agitators then go pack themselves inside different buses, then go enter different states, different villages, different local government. They go carry rice, carry food, they give all those mama them. No, that time the rally Yoruba nation was no on point until that woman come. In fact, I no go forget that thing with that woman do, whether they call it Dupo ni dirty. Hey, that woman come scatter everything. But thank God is bigger than her. We don't learn our lesson. Well, no be that place me they go now, sha. No be waiting. I won't talk about that. Hey, my brother, my sister, you see this Yoruba nation movement. By God's grace, it shall be actualized because God don't write them for the sake of the people. Where we say they don't buy innocent souls, say they don't buy. Shey na the one wey happen for Owo, that church for Ondo State, where we say they enter inside church buy many Christians. Now you won't talk about for the sake of those people, for the grace where we say those people innocent soul carry where them go buy them for inside that church. Yoruba nation shall be actualized. This thing why they talk, they pay me. It is a paying me, my brother, my sister. It is not funny at all. This is not funny. Now this prophet come outside, he talk him that time say Kenny come and she vote for APC. Now what the prophet they talk Kenny to come and she vote for APC pé mi ò ṣe lóṣèlú, but nǹkan tí Ọlọ́run sọ fún mi ni mò ń sọ. Then a lot of people were like I beg all this prophet, now so then go they talk. At the end of the day he go come still deny and say no be talk am. My brother, my sister, this man talk am say if anybody vote for APC, tẹnikẹ́ni bá vote fún àwọn APC pé ìtàn rí nínú ayé tẹ́nà Buhari pé is a tips of the iceberg, pé eré o pé in fact nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ ní time Buhari ń gbà yẹn bí prophet yẹn ṣe sọ pé ìgbádùn la wà, pé because tẹ wá lọ ṣe mistake kẹ́ lọ vote fún APC àbí APC tún wá continue lẹ́yìn tẹ́ tún ti vote fún o pé títí wá tún wá ń continue tó tún ṣe ìjọba pé ó máa lé kókó lé in fact the way wey be say this man take talk am say e go lé kókó say in fact this one wey be say we dey for Buhari we dey enjoy say this one if una try am vote for APC. That time this video of this man go viral. If you wan check the video, just go to your YouTube, just type prophet Ayodele of Area Evangelical Ministry talks about hardship if you vote for APC. He go carry the video come outside, then you go hear this man where they talk this thing. Now the man talk am say make una no try am, say no, make una no try am to vote for APC o, na fit vote for any other party but APC. So wetin come dey pay me now be say that time na him we dey talk say make anybody no even vote for any politician at all, but yet people still come outside then go vote. Wetin una dey vote for? Una don go vote, now they come carry themselves, they enter. Okay, now the Yoruba people with the hopes, okay, if our own enter at least before 1 month to highest 2 months, everything go don dey okay, everything go don normalize. Some people they say immediately the president enter, the enjoyment don start. My brother, my sister, the reverse happen to be the case. So now inside we see this. So the worst part of it now, my brother, my sister, be say this Fulani people will be say then they during the time of Buhari, now they can't get power pass. Una no see the thousands of in-laws we enter of recent. I'm not sure whether some people don't see them. Some people come dey ask say sure say na Nigeria they come. No, where they won't go before. Now the nearest country be that from Niger Republic, the border as they open up, all these people come say okay, now this is the time. But we no know whether now because they won't make big happen. Now it make them open that border. But that one no can concern us because we don't come outside. They talk this to say Yoruba nation. Now him we want. Where Yoruba nation la fẹ́, Yoruba nation la fẹ́. Come fún wa ní Yoruba nation wa. Àwọn ò fẹ́ kò sí kan tó kàn wá pẹ̀lú wọn Nigeria. That's exactly what we have been talking about. Nothing concern us with one Nigeria. Make them leave us, make we just dey our own. Because this hardship, e don too much. Till tomorrow, now wetin we dey shout be that. For all those people wey be say then dey there dey talk say like this, like the men, no worry, with time things go better. The president is working. Ẹ̀rín yín pa mí ẹ̀rín yín pa mí gbogbo àwọn tí àwọn ajínigbé ti gbé báyìí tán dẹ̀ ti lò wọ́n tán ti pa tán ti mú ẹ̀jẹ̀ wọn ṣáwọn yẹn máa padà wọ́n máa sọ pé Nàìjíríà máa dàbí. I always use that word. Yoruba says ẹni kan ló mọ̀. All those people wey say this bad thing don happen to all of them. They don't get sense now. That is the one wey be say escape o. Àwọn tó yẹrí tó báwo la ṣe máa ń sọ Yorùbá náà, àwọn tó yẹ pé wọ́n rí kú lásán báyìí tó fò dá wọn lè jáde, wọn bí wọn kú kọ́ jáde kọ́ pariwo pé wọ́n Nàìjíríà. Yorùbá nation ló ń pariwo, gbogbo wọn sì ariwo olóyè Sunday Igboho ni wọ́n ń pa. Olóyè Sunday Igboho ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ dákun ẹ wá help wa. My brother, my sister, all these things wey be say we dey talk no funny. We fit just dey talk am make it dey sound funny. My brother, my sister, this is very painful. Yes, it is very painful because we don't know how long we are going to continue in this manner. We don't know how long we are going to continue like this. Look at the way they are buying people on a daily basis. See the way they are buying people on a daily basis. And now the most painful aspect then is that it's our Yoruba man that is there as a president. Now tell me, if at the end of it all, our Yoruba man that is there as a president, if he does not do the needful before he leaves there, then what do you think is going to become of the Yoruba people? That is why we are shouting it, and we will keep saying it. Yoruba nation no going back. No going back. According to Chief Sunday Igboho, I love that man so much. He will say Yoruba nation no going back. Nothing. Even after he just left detention, he still insisted. He still no going back. My brother, my sister, what more can we say? Meanwhile, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what is actually reaching us onto this one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.